In today's video, I am going to teach you how to autosum quickly in Excel. This is one of the fastest ways to total a column of numbers without typing out the full formula yourself. Excel has a built-in shortcut for autosum, and once you learn it, you can save time every time you work with lists, budgets, reports, or any spreadsheet with values that need a quick total. To begin, look at your column of numbers and find the empty cell directly below that list. This is important because Excel will use that position to determine which cells you want to add together. Click that empty cell so it becomes the active cell. Make sure you are directly under the numbers you want to total, not off to the side or in another blank area. Next, press and hold the Alt key on your keyboard. While you are still holding Alt, press the equal sign key. This keyboard shortcut tells Excel to insert the sum formula automatically. After that, release both keys. As soon as you do this, Excel should place a sum formula into the selected cell and automatically highlight the range of numbers above it. This highlight is Excel showing you the cells it plans to include in the total. Take a moment to verify that the highlighted range matches the numbers you actually want to add. This quick check is useful, especially if there are blank cells, extra values, or neighboring numbers nearby, because Excel usually makes a smart selection, but it is always good to confirm it is correct. If the correct cells are highlighted, the final step is simple. Press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will immediately calculate the total and display the result in that cell. That is the entire process. Click the empty cell below your numbers, hold Alt, press the equal sign, release the keys, confirm the highlighted range, and press Enter to get your total instantly. This shortcut is especially helpful when you need to work quickly and want to avoid manually typing equals sum with parentheses and selecting the range yourself. It keeps the process clean, fast, and efficient. Once you use it a few times, it becomes second nature and can make everyday spreadsheet work much easier. And that is all there is to it.